Welcome to the next video in our ISO 27001 2022 series. If you'd like to know more about the basics of ISO 27001 2022, you can click on the top right corner now. But beyond that, let's get straight into it. What are the changes that ISO 27001 brings to controls in the 2022 version? The first thing to know about what's new in ISO 27001 2022's control is how they're housed. The previous version in 2013 had 14 different categories that are now reduced to just 4 broad themes. The first of which is people. These controls relate to human resources security and personal security, focusing on the human element in information security. The second is organizational. These encompass policies, compliance, and information security incident management, reflecting a broad organizational approach to information security. The third is technological. These cover technical security controls related to system acquisition, development, maintenance, and addressing the technical aspects of information security. Number 4, physical. These concern physical and environmental security measures, emphasizing the importance of securing physical spaces and assets. These 4 sections contain 93 controls between them, and while that number is down from 2013's 114, ISO 27001 2022 actually contains 11 more controls. How do they manage that? Well, the 2022 version merged many previous controls, leading to an overall lower number while also adding new controls to the mix. Let's dive into the 11 new controls that ISO 27001 2022 brings and what they mean. Number 1, threat intelligence. Threat intelligence requires companies to gather information about the current and potential threats to their information security. This information can be gathered internally by analyzing previous threats or externally by using sources like vendor reports, government agency announcements, and more. Number 2, information security for the use of cloud services. This asks that you ensure that you have the necessary security measures in place for your cloud services, so data that you store there is well protected. This includes the life cycle of cloud management, from purchasing, using, managing, and terminating. Number 3, ICT Readiness for business continuity. This deals with information and communication technology, ICT. If your organization is attacked or you face a service disruption, you need to talk to the other people in your team and get your business back online as soon as possible. Readiness planning, implementation, maintenance, and testing are some ways to ensure information and communication technology uptime. Number 4, physical security monitoring. This ensures that physical access to sensitive areas are monitored so that only authorized personnel can enter or exit these premises. This helps prevent unauthorized access, damage, or interference to your offices, production facilities, warehouses, and more. Number 5, configuration management. Configuration management is pretty much what it says in the label. You want to make sure that all the technology and software you use is properly configured based on your security requirements and can't be changed without authorization. This requirement deals with configurations of systems throughout their lifecycle, from the initial design, deployment, and maintenance. Number 6, information deletion. Information deletion mandates that you delete data when it is no longer required. This helps companies avoid sensitive leaks and also ensures that they're in compliance with privacy-focused regulations like GDPR. Number 7, data masking. Data masking deals with obscuring sensitive data in your database to protect it from unauthorized access while maintaining its usability. This could involve PII, PHI, PAN, and more. Number 8, data leakage prevention. This requires you to apply data leak measures to prevent the unauthorized transmission of sensitive information. Some examples of this are disabling downloads to removable storage devices, email quarantine, restricting copy and paste of data, restricting upload of data to external systems, and more. Number 9, monitoring activities. Monitoring activities includes the regular monitoring of user activities and system operations so as to detect any harmful or unusual incidents that may take place. This can include IT systems, databases, networks, applications, and more. Number 10, web filtering. Web filtering is something most of us have experienced before. It involves managing which websites your employees or users are accessing. This involves preventing certain inappropriate sites from loading, blocking access to some harmful downloads, and banning certain IP addresses, all of which have the singular aim of protecting your systems from malicious content. Number 11, secure coding. Finally, this control focuses on establishing and following secure coding practices, set up guidelines for developing software in a way that prevents security vulnerabilities and testing for these security vulnerabilities through the development process. Now, to the all-important question. How do you get compliant with ISO 27001:2022? If you're watching this video, you're realistically in one of two camps. You're either already ISO 27001 compliant and wondering what these updates mean for your existing compliance program, or two, you're looking to get compliant and you're wondering if you should go with the 2013 or the 2022 version. There's two ways that Sprinto can help. The first is an ISO 27001:2022 checklist that you can download from the link below, absolutely free, to help you get started. The second is compliance automation. Companies that use Sprinto to get ISO 27001 compliant do so while saving thousands of hours, dollars, and work days over the course of the compliance process. By leveraging powerful instructions, Sprinto also ensures that you remain secure year-round instead of just during an audit cycle. And with Trust Center, you can share your compliance posture publicly with important stakeholders like your prospects, clients, and investors, so you have more time to build your business. Learn more about how you can get ISO 27001:2022 compliant using compliance automation by visiting sprinto.com or booking a demo with one of our ISO 27001 experts using the link below.